Hello, how are we doing? Today is mega late. As you can see, it's already dark. I've been busy, yeah? Minh popped down and he decided that he wants some fresh, new, shiny wheels. So this is what we got. Wedz, Kranze, 3-piece splits with a 4.5-inch lip and a 5-inch lip. Talking of lips, how about that? That's the plan. What I've done is I've already broke them down. I did it off camera. Everyone can use a 12mm spanner and a Torx bit. I don't need to show you that. It's time consuming, it's boring, no one wants to do it, and it's shit. So now is the good stuff. Here's the lips. Looks like somebody's already had a blast at trying to do something with them. But the plan is I'm going to go to Rainbow Polishers tomorrow. We'll get the wheel faces dropped off. We're going to get the lips dropped off. We're going to get the barrels dropped off. The plan is I want the barrels chemically stripped, and then he wants to paint them, I think, silver. Then, all being well, as long as the faces are not chrome, because that's the biggest problem, we can't get the chrome off. They'll be stripped and they'll be polished. This may take about a week or two, because Cecil is about 900 years old, doesn't rush for anyone, and he don't care. He loves her. But I thought I'd just show you what we'll be doing in the next few days, next week, whenever. And we'll show you how nice that will come back. Had a bit of Pat Butcher on here. I hope that's alright. There's not exactly much to show. Took the Civic out for a little ripperoonie. I'm just getting some stickers and everything ready for everyone to go out in the post. As you can see, we've got some more hats in for you crazy motherfuckers. Thank you very much again. It is cold though, so we've got to keep our heads warm anyway. Min's wheels, polish, seal, £12, it's the seal. Then I've got to build them, then I've got to strip the barrels. Loads of work to do. Loads of work. I don't know how my phone's gone. I think the lighting game's gone a bit overkill. Don't look at it, it's way too bright. Oh man, of course, see? Look at these lines here. What a mess. But now is the time. I have to cover that a bit. Yeah, it is my new power steering lines. So what happened to my voice then? I don't really care. But what I'm going to do is, because Grant's parked like a dick, I can't actually get onto the car properly. But I hope the lighting's better. As long as I don't get in the way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to replace these two lines with these braided ones. Now, I got these from JLS about 6 months ago, maybe 12 months ago. Can't remember. For all you true OGs to the channel, you'll probably remember me buying them because I got me some and I got Crooked Chris some. Fittings and the lines, so we won't have any more of this this monstrosity. But it did the job, got us out of trouble. Gearbox bolts are nice and tight. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my spanner, I'm going to crack these off and I'm going to adjust them. I've got a seeking suspicion that this light is way too bright. What a dickhead. It's a 12mm. Put some gloves on, because we're going to get dirty. Now, if I remember right, one of these buckets has got a hole in. It's not going to be that one, is it? Ooh, nice. What's the chances? Oh, we're leaking already. Oh, she's stiff. Long. Oh. I am good. Come on. Give me a bit of credit. Tight. Oh, oh shit. Look at that. I'm not totally useless, am I? No, I'm going to wait for that to empty. Luckily enough, we got more power steering fluid from when we did the Civic. This is what we're replacing them with. I quite like it. Hopefully it works well. Oh, 10 out of 10. Look, they're lying. Look, not a drop on the floor. At least doing it this way, I can undo both of them. Fuck. And I stabbed myself in the hand. And yes, it hurt. Okay. Come on. Nice. Here we go. That's a tapered fitting. What are you looking at? Luckily enough for us that these have only got fittings one way. Ah, fucking stay still, you cunt. So these have got two different threads. That's for the steering rack. This is for the fitting. So we can't actually get it confused, which is nice. So we don't need any PTFE tape, I've been told, because they're like tapered fit. So they can't leak, so I'm being told. And then, no, that's probably not the right way to do it. Need to put these on the steering rack first, because if they're tight on there, we'll never tighten them up, will we? No, that's right. So ignore all that I just said. We need to put these on here first. Get to the ads. Whew. Shake it off, guys, shake it off. That's a killer. As you can see, there's a nice taper inside there, which is the same taper as this. I can't do this any other way, mate. I hope I'm not in the way too much. Nicely lubricated. Oh, fucking hell. I warn you, take a clean job. It's not. That's hex. Put money on it. Lucas!
Hello!
You fucking one.
Hello!
Told ya.
Did I ruin your minute alone?
It's all like, scared. How you doing, Lucas?
Alright, I'm alright, just finished work.
Good. Works for Parkbox. You know the people we tell you all the time about. Wankers, are they? Anyway, where was we? You know what I mean? Before Lucas decided to interrupt us. Busy, yeah? So these have now stopped leaking. 20 minutes fucking later. Here he is. Look with his Instagram famous. You take it, what you doing, mate?
Nothing?
What have you got? Oh, that's nice.
Got a new iPhone as well, yeah.
That does look nice. I don't know anything about phones from the Stone Age, mate. So now what I'm going to do is the small one goes on the inside.
Yo, McDonald's is giving away free cheeseburger this week.
Yeah. Thank you for that useful information. This is quite difficult one-handed. Oh, a bit of automatic transmission fluid, aka power steering fluid.
Smells as well.
Ooh.
Bits and bobs.
Steering foot, it's getting quieter, getting the air bubbles out. Now it goes. You ready?
I'm ready.
So I decided, you see me fill it up, turning left, turning right, turning left, turning right. See that bucket there? Well, guess what? That bucket wasn't there. You know why it's there? I'm going to show you. Before I put the bucket there, that was there. There's a moral to this story. Is don't overfill the power steering fluid. Because now I'm going to need to clean all that mess up that I've made. And the floor. And Grant's going to love this. Because he always does it as well. Dickheads. And no one will ever know. Did you?
Yeah, spun out one. Cobra? Oh,
Why is the video so short?
I don't know. Sideways there, fucking 50 mile an hour. I was shitting myself. This was early in the morning, what was it? Oh, I was joking.
Action packed.
I couldn't leave that mirror here, man. And this was recording that. Slow motion.
Toyota, you want to ask?
Terrible. Now, what I'm doing is I'm just turning the steering. And that's doing that. Okay? So this is how you bleed the steering. Isn't it right?
Yeah.
You just move your thighs and you watch that pump. Ooh! And the bumpers fell off again. See all the air bubbles? So if I fall lock to the left. What? Fucking hell! Full lock to the right.
What the fuck?
What?
So it comes back up when you turn to the left.
I don't know what it's doing, I'll be honest. And then what happens when you start the car,
Goes down.
it just goes imby. I think we have successfully bled power steering. The lines aren't leaking and the steering works. You can hear the air bubbles, you can hear the air bubbles still, there's still air bubbles. That's going to do it for today. So I can't be arsed, it's getting dark, it's getting cold. It's nearly winter.
It's been dark and it's been cold the past 4 hours.
He's only been here too, so don't let him trick you.
That's
I
true.
won't lie to you.
But it has been dark.
It has been dark. But that's how you fit power steering lines into a Civic. And it's not a Civic, it's an S15. Anyway, that's it from me. That's from Lucas.
See you again.
Drop a like, drop a comment, drop a subscribe button, and hit that ding 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 ding. We get a video. I'll see you later.